Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making an incredibly delicious and aromatic dish, steamed garlic shrimp with vermicelli. Tender shrimp soaked in rich garlic-infused sauce, sitting on top of flavored vermicelli. Let's get started. First, soak the vermicelli in warm water until it softens. This will make it easier to absorb all the delicious flavors later. Set it aside while we prep the shrimp. Now, prepare the shrimp. First, cut off the rostrum and trim away the legs. Then remove the heads and place them on a separate plate. Next, use scissors to cut along the back of the shrimp, stopping at the last segment of the tail. Finally, remove the vein. Repeat this for all the shrimp. Here's the garlic. To reduce its sharpness and prevent it from burning too quickly, rinse it twice in water and drain well. Chop up some small chili peppers for an extra kick. Now heat some oil in the wok. Add the shrimp heads and cook over medium-low heat, pressing them down with a spatula to release their rich shrimp oil. Once the oil turns golden and fragrant, remove the shrimp heads. In the same oil, add half of the garlic and sauté over low heat until it turns golden. Then add the remaining garlic and continue to sauté until everything is well combined. Next, add the chopped chilies and stir until fragrant. Now season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and 3 teaspoons of sugar. Stir everything together until fully incorporated. Make sure not to burn the garlic. Look at this golden garlic sauce. It smells amazing. Drain the softened vermicelli and place it in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of the garlic sauce and toss well. Now spread the vermicelli evenly on the plate. Arrange the shrimp neatly on top. And finally, spoon the remaining garlic sauce over the shrimp. Now, fill your steamer with water and bring it to a boil. Once the water is boiling, place the dish in the steamer and steam for about 3 minutes. Remember, it's 3 minutes after the water starts boiling, not from when you place it in cold water. You will know the shrimp is fully cooked when it turns a vibrant orange. Once steamed, take the dish out and sprinkle some chopped scallions on top. Then drizzle with a bit of hot oil to release all the flavors. The aroma is absolutely mouth-watering. Your neighbors might just come knocking to see what you are cooking. Wow, the shrimp is incredibly juicy. The garlic sauce is packed with flavor, and the vermicelli has soaked up all the deliciousness. As always, it's your turn to try this at home now. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.